Hi, I'm Wongster1970. Today I'm going to be installing a replacement pool pump on my pool, of course. So let's get started. Model number is W2SP2607X10. Let's go and take a look at the old pump, see what we need to do to get this one hooked up. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to make sure that my power is off. I'm going to turn this off also, just to make sure that there's no power going to the old pump. Let's see what the old pump does. That's about it. That's why we need a new one. It's toast. I'm going to take the two screws out of this end cap and try to get it apart. Got to get into the wiring and see what it looks like once I get this off. I have the cover off. This capacitor looks like 3 wires go into this. Two 110 lines and ground. It's a 220. Not really all that impressed with the way this put together. Take a look at this and see if I can hook it up better. So I'm going to take this connector off of here and pull the wiring out. Two. And there's 3. There we go. I'll put some extra force into it. Get her loose. Get that off of there. There we go. Get the other one down here. Open this way towards me. That one's loose. I've got to get these pipes off of here. Yeah, that one wasn't tight. Move it out a little bit more. Let's turn it back off there. Put some more pipe sealing on there. That was a little tighter. I've got all this taped up here. I'm put it back on. There we go. And I'll do the same thing with the other one. Okay, got this all taped up. Just gotta get her back to there and hook it back up. Well, I don't know if you can see on here, but I ended up over tightening it and I cracked it. Small crack right there. So bought a new piece of pipe, 1.5 by 2 inch. I have a 11942033837, which is a 11942031894. Picked these up from Lowe's. This piece off and put that new coupler on, or put that coupler on a piece of pipe. Okay, you can see that I got the coupler back installed here. Here is my patch, and I have heavy duty Teflon tape on here. Everything's back together. Hopefully it doesn't leak. We'll see once I get the electric hooked up here. Well, I went through all that work just to find out that one of the posts is broken off. Took the cover off and that's what I got. So I'm gonna have to take this back in Home Depot under warranty. So that's gonna be it for now, till I get a replacement pump or motor.